You know what's the single fatal error that almost 97.777% of businesses commit? It's falling into the dilution trap, which is chasing the deadly errors. By error, what I mean is ERR. You compete to become faster, cheaper, bigger, smaller, wider, rectangular, and whatnot. You get the point, right? If you're simply competing by becoming better and think that will magically get you more well paying customers or clients, you are dead wrong. For example, imagine you're selling ginger tea. You brew tea with 7% of ginger. Your second competitor will start making it even stronger by adding 17% of ginger. The third competitor, he will make it even more stronger by adding 27% stronger. And let's say you're selling ginger tea for $10. Your second competitor will make it even cheaper by selling it for $5. The third competitor, $1, even cheaper. You see where I'm going with this? It literally makes me laugh because these are the errors that make your businesses disappear into the eternally cursed dilution trap. Yet, most businesses fall for it. Now, just to make it clear what is a dilution trap. So when your competitors or your prospects doesn't know the difference between your solution and your competitor's solution. Your prospects don't see your company, your product, your service as every other product, service, or business in the market. So that's the dilution trap. They don't know the real difference or the real reason why should they choose you over all the other competitors in the market. So what should you do? What's the solution, you might ask? Instead of competing, dominate. Instead of swiping, copying, and doing what everyone tells, be different. Instead of blending in, stand out. Instead of being an option, become the only choice. For that, you need to position your business in a way that attracts your ideal customers who are happy to pay more. That means you must be ready to repel away, say no to certain type of prospects. To do this, it takes real guts. It takes blood and sweat. Don't worry, not literally. It takes some strategic thinking. It takes questions that others refuse or don't ask to uncover the blind spot in the business. That's why 99% of businesses don't go down this path. Yet it's possible and profitable too. So if you aspire to be that 1% or 3% who challenge the ordinary, who wants to become the revolutionary, who aspires to get the big money, build a new legacy, hit me up. Not literally, of course, unless you wanna end up in jail. We can have a chat and see if I can position your business as the for your most profitable segment of the market. Doesn't matter whether you're a brick and mortar store, fitness gym, coaching business, SaaS, software product, whatever it might be. If the dilution trap scares the shit out of you are open to challenge the status quo, then perhaps you should talk to me because I'm a USP consultant. USP is unique selling proposition, and I would help you nail your unique identity in the marketplace. I have done that in the past for a few of my clients, and I'm happy to share the case studies if you DM me. So don't hesitate to start a conversation. And if you found this video helpful, if the thoughts resonate with you, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another interesting video on marketing, sales, and business life. Cheers.